Hello everyone, this is Maheshwari Jagatpal and I'm here today to discuss about the project called Market Forecasting, a look at weather's role in stock performance. And this project deals with the data set about weather and also the stock prices of HDFC. And since my early years, I have often found myself contemplating the web of connections the weather weaves throughout the daily existence. And back during my school days, I occasionally found myself wishing for a very heavy rain so that I get the unexpected day off from the classroom. However, as the time has flowed, I understood that weather has a very significant impact on many other areas. It has become increasingly evident to me that weather shields a very influence not only on school but also on the transportation. When we are having adverse weather conditions, our plans would quickly unravel. For instance, when the weather is very bad, sometimes it gives rise to a flight delays or even the cancellation. And also it brings train services to halt and also the unexpected of fallen trees obstructing the roadways. And as I have grown up, the curiosity has extended to the world of stocks, where through hearing from friends where their investments are less and also the returns they have earned is more. And these two spheres of interest, the financial markets and the meteorological condition, have captivated my attention. And I have also found myself wondering whether there might be any correlation between investing in stocks and the weather. And just as the weather once influenced my decision to attend school as a student, I'm now curious if it has any bearing on the investment choice made by the customer. And as explained previously, so the aim. So as explained previously, the aim is to analyze the correlationship between the weather conditions and the stock performances, which can drive insights into susceptibility of industries of weather-related variations. And this analysis helps in evaluating the risk connected with investing in a specific sector. So let's delve into further process how to achieve a goal. And coming to datasets, the dataset delves into the intricate landscape of HDFC Bank stock market data, offering a very glimpse into daily flow of trading activity. It also gives information about stocks and including not only the data and closing price, but also the daily fluctuations in low and high price. And nestled within the depth lies a wealth of data that paints a vivid picture of the dynamic world of stocks, which encapsulates us to the myriad of facts that shape the trajectory of financial markets. And the dataset at hand revolves about the weather conditions, which offers different atmospheric regions, and it also contains many key variables such as temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, and many others. And these data points collectively will give a comprehensive portrait of weather patterns, which allow the researchers and analysts to delve to atmospheric conditions. Now, within the data set, uh, within the data set, there lies a potential to unlock many applications from the precision of weather forecasting to the depth of environmental research, and also it gives a very broader exploration of climate dynamics. And the researchers and analysts have the power of these weather conditions datasets to uh, unravel the complexities of natural world, shaping our understanding of the environment, and it also enhances the ability to navigate its ever-changing dynamics. Procedure followed. So, to we have six steps here. That is data collection, data cleaning, data preprocessing, and model selection and deployment. These five steps are required to get our required output. Come to data collection. So the data collection of the data is the most important and step to perform any procedure. So to perform this operation, I have collected weather dataset and also HDFC dataset from Kaggle. The next important step is data cleaning. Data cleaning is a process of identifying the or correcting errors, inconsistencies, and accuracies in data, and also cleaning helps to improve the quality and will make the data reliable. The above data sets undergo through data cleaning, in which if there are any null values in the table, we can omit them. We also follow different steps to eliminate null values, inaccuracies, and also inconsistencies. Coming to data preprocessing. So data pre-processing is a step which refers to a set of techniques which are applied to raw data, where the data is used to train the machine learning models. And in this context, we have acquired two unprocessed data. One is related to the weather, and the other one which is related to HDFC stocks. Before proceeding with the analysis, we will be diligently carrying out the data cleaning procedures, ensuring that both data sets are in optimal state for further operations. And in data pre-processing step, our primary object is to utilize the data is to utilize date as a primary variable for merging. Our goal here is to create a one data set where each date appears only once, and once the merging process is complete, we can confidently assert that data is prepared for the subsequent testing or training phases, making a significant step toward the analytical objectives. Then the most important step is the model selection, and the model selection involves choosing the appropriate algorithm or to develop a model in specific dataset. Following the data pre-processing stage, the decision of model selection comes into focus. The choice of appropriate model, it's not only on the nature of the output we seek to predict, but also on the selection of input variables. So in my quest to investigate the potential influence of weather conditions on stock price, I have made the choice to employ or to use the linear regression as the chosen model. And in this configuration, the target variable is the stock price, while the feature variables are temperature and wind speed. And throughout the implementation of regression analysis, my aim is to uncover any potential correlation between weather patterns and stock price. So the selected model will serve as a valuable tool which probes the intricate interplay between the meteorological factors and financial market dynamics. Deployment. So deployment is a process in which the model is taken, which is tested, and then it is put into a state where it can serve for intended purpose. So here after the data undergoes training with the regression model, it is tested with the data to find the output whether it is related or not. Result. So the value of MSC is 2360.35, which suggests that predictions made by the model are very less accurate and may not be true. R value, which is 0, does not explain any variance, proving it to be a very perfect. And coefficient of 0.25 of temperature suggests it has a positive relationship with temperature stock price. And the wind speed minus 0.28, which indicates it has a very negative relationship with the winds increases as the stock price decreases 0.28 points. Intercept 813.31 indicates when both the variables temperature and wind speed is zero, which is very impossible. Stock price value of the dependent value would be the value of intercept. And so I can conclude that the analysis which indicate the relationship between weather and HDF stock markets are not interlinked, which means the customers are not affected with the temperature and their decisions would not be influenced with weather. Thank you, everyone.